Genesis Mining Honest Review. Watch before using. Most people think cloud mining is passive income, but you won't believe what happens next when market conditions change. Genesis Mining is a cloud mining service that allows users to rent mining power without owning hardware. It has been around for many years and operates large data centers. The surprising truth is that Genesis mining contracts depend heavily on cryptocurrency prices and mining difficulty. Most people get this wrong. They expect guaranteed profits. In reality, earnings fluctuate and can drop significantly. Genesis Mining is best for users who understand crypto risks. The surprising truth is that mining is not risk-free. Subscribe for more honest crypto reviews that protect your investments.